Today, Governor Beshear proclaimed National Suicide Prevention Week in Kentucky.
WDRB's Dakota Sherrick shares how everyone can learn how to help those in crisis.
There's been a lot of conversations about mental health since the pandemic began. And when it comes to suicide prevention, the people here today want to see everyone getting involved.
All of us, young or old, man or woman, coming from wealthy or modest backgrounds, all of us are vulnerable. And all of us have a duty to help those that are most at risk.
Governor Beshear, mental health care providers, and others gathered outside UofL's Peace Hospital, promoting awareness for suicide prevention. In 2020, 756 people died by suicide in the state. Crisis calls to the National Suicide Prevention Hotline increased by 8%, with more than 350 Kentuckians calling each week on average.
The trenches are dark, and they are hard, and they are deep, and they are raw, and they are painful. But you are not alone.
J.D. Graham was admitted to Peace Hospital when she was 17 on a 24-hour suicide watch. She says at the time she thought she was alone. Graham is glad to see more conversations happening now.
The power of collective conversation and talking about our feelings, our emotions, and what we're going through is so incredibly important and powerful.
Peace Hospital and NAMI of Louisville are offering a specific kind of training to help people have conversations with people in crisis called QPR, which stands for Question, Persuade, Refer.
Talking about suicide is not going to talk someone into taking their life. Talking about suicide gives you that one chance to help them, to be the person who changes the outcome.
QPR training is free, online, and takes an hour. The goal is to get 2,021 people trained this year.
Not just for the people in your family that you maybe think are already at risk, but for the neighbor you have no idea is at risk. For the person at work who one day turns to you with that fear and that concern about their well-being. Now you have the tools to help them.
Learn more about how to sign up for QPR training by finding this story at WDRB.com. In Louisville, Dakota Sherrick, WDRB News.